Getting paid to shop sounds too good to be true. And honestly, a lot of what you'll see about, online, well, it is. But underneath the hype, there is something real here. A genuine, if small, way to earn a little extra. And I want to show you how to do it right. No false promises, just the honest version, including the parts that could cost you money if nobody warns you. So what is it? Well, mystery shopping is simple at its core. Companies want to know what it's really like to be their customer when no manager is watching. So they hire regular people like you and me to walk in like a normal shopper, pay attention to some specific things, and report back. In a nutshell, that's it. You might check if the staff were friendly, if the store was clean, if a product was displayed properly. Sometimes you buy something small and get reimbursed for it. Sometimes you just take a few photos. That's it. You observe, you follow the instructions, and you submit a short report, and you get paid. It's real work that real companies pay for. Brands like Starbucks or Burger King and, T-Mobile, they use mystery shopping programs. This isn't a gimmick. It's a small, legitimate corner of the market research world. But before you get excited, I need to be straight with you about what it actually pays, because this is where most videos lie to you. Here's the truth, and I'm telling you because, well, I'd rather you trust me than chase a fantasy. Most assignments pay between $8 and $25 each. More involved ones, restaurant evaluations, car dealership visits, or banking shops, can pay $25 to $40 or more. Realistically, with consistent part-time effort, you're looking at $100 to $500 a month. The effective hourly rate, once you count the travel and the report writing, usually lands around $13 to $16 per hour. Now, that's the honest range. Not thousands a week, not a new car, a few $100s a month if you're consistent and you live somewhere with enough assignments. And I want to be real with you about why that still matters. For a lot of people, a few $100 extra in a hard month isn't nothing. It's the grocery bill. It's the dinner out you'd otherwise skip. It's a little breathing room when things are tight. I've seen people use this to get through expensive seasons of life, and there's no shame in that. Small money is still real money when you need it. Just go in knowing what it is. It's a helpful supplement, not a salary. If you expect that, you won't be disappointed. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Now I need you to slow down and really listen to this part, because this is where most people get hurt, and I don't want that to be you. Mystery shopping is a real industry, but scammers have flooded it, and their tricks are designed to take money from people who can at least afford to lose it. So here are the rules. Memorize them. Number 1, a legitimate company will never ask you to pay to join, ever. If a site wants a fee to register or to unlock the job list, walk away. The real ones are free, always. They make their money from brands, not from you. Number 2, and this is the big one, if anyone sends you a check and tells you to deposit it and wires some of the money back, it is a scam every single time. The check will bounce days later and you'll be on the hook for every dollar you sent. People have lost thousands this way. Real companies pay you after you finish the job, never before. Number 3, be suspicious of anything that sounds too good. $100 to review one fast food meal, that's bait. Real pay is modest and matches the effort. Number 4, real companies don't recruit you out of nowhere on WhatsApp or Telegram. Legitimate work comes through an official app or website that you signed up for. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Never pay to join, and never deposit a check to wire money back. Those 2 rules will protect you from almost every scam out there. Okay, now that you're protected, here's how to actually start. Stick to established, reputable companies. The ones with real track records and real reputations. Names that come up again and again from actual shoppers include MarketForce, IntelliShop, Bestmark, GigWalk, and Field Agent. There are also app-based ones that show you nearby tasks on a map, which makes finding work near you genuinely easy. And sign up for several of them. This is important. Each company works with different clients. So joining one alone means limited options. Joining a few multiplies the assignments available to you. It costs nothing to sign up, so there's no reason not to. Create a complete profile. Companies match you to jobs based on it. And then start small. Take the simple, low-paying shops first. I know that's not glamorous, but here's why it matters. These early jobs build your reliability and your rating. And the higher paying assignments, the restaurants and hotels and nicer gigs, go to shoppers who've proven they're dependable. You earn your way up. Do a few small ones well, and better ones open up. Now, if there's one skill that makes or breaks you here, it's this. Follow every instruction. Exactly. I cannot stress this enough. Mystery shopping pays you for completing the whole task correctly. If the assignment says know the cashier's name, ask one specific question, and photograph the display, you do all three. Miss one step and you can lose the entire payment. And here's where it stings. On some shops, you pay for a purchase up front and get reimbursed afterward. If you mess up the requirements, you might not get reimbursed, which means you actually lose money. Your time and your cash is gone. So read the brief twice, take notes, pay attention to the little details. The people who do well here aren't the fastest. They're the most careful. Now, it sounds strict, and it is, but once you build the habit, it becomes second nature, and the payments come through reliably. So let me be honest about who this actually works for, because it's not everyone. It works best if you live in or near a city with plenty of shops. If you're rural and the nearest assignment is an hour's drive, the gas and time eat the profit. Don't force it. That's a recipe for frustration. It works best if you're detail-oriented and don't mind a bit of writing. If careful reporting sounds miserable to you, this might not be your thing, and that's okay. And it works best when you fold it into your life instead of adding to it. The magic is doing shops at places you were already going. The grocery store you visit anyway. The restaurant you'd eat at regardless. When it fits your existing routine, it costs you almost nothing extra and just hands you a little cash. If that's you, this could be a genuinely nice addition to your month. So that's the honest picture. A real way to earn a bit of extra. Not a fortune, but not a scam either. As long as you stick to the legit platforms and follow those safety rules. If money's tight and you want a flexible, low-pressure way to bring in a little more, give it an honest try. Start small, stay careful, and keep your expectations real. I honestly hope that this helped. That's the whole reason I made it. So yeah, if you think this is for you, go ahead and try it out. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.